The Met Office has named Storm Christoph the third storm of the 2020-21 storm season. This will bring torrential rain, strong winds and the threat of flooding to parts of the UK. There are amber weather warnings for rain in place for 3 days as the storm hits. A deepening low is to blame for the stormy conditions, with rain developing during Monday persists into Wednesday and Thursday. The Met Office has updated weather warnings across Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday to reflect the newly named storm. The forecasters tweeted, "Storm Christoph has been named, with heavy rain and flooding likely on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday." This is the third storm of the 2020-21 storm season so far, with Aidan and Bella preceding Christoph earlier in the season. The Met Office says this heavy rain, up to 7.8 inches, is associated with Storm Christoph. Rain will be heaviest and the most persistent across western-facing hills, and more than 100 millimeters of rain is expected across the higher ground, with the potential for 150 to 200 millimeters of rain in the most exposed areas. The rain will also lead to rapid melting of any remaining lying snow across the higher peaks, adding to water entering the river network. Strong winds will accompany the rain at times and may add to traveling difficulties across higher and more exposed routes. There is an amber warning issued across Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday for the East Midlands, East of England, North West England and Yorkshire and Humber. The warning comes into force at 6 a.m. on Tuesday and remains in place until 12 p.m. on Thursday. A yellow warning for rain is in place from midnight on Tuesday until 12 p.m. on Thursday, with the Met Office warning of spells of prolonged and heavy rain may lead to flooding and disruption to travel in places. This warning is for East Midlands, East of England, London, and South East England, North East England, North West England, South West England, Wales, West Midlands and Yorkshire and Humber. Net weather forecasters write of the forecast later this week. By the end of Wednesday into Thursday, the weather will be atrocious. Gales, even severe gales, more rain and snow. Already sodden ground, and the low looks to keep deepening over there. North Sea into Thursday afternoon. However, rain and winds are not the only hazards this week, with yet more snow on the way according to Net Weather. Met Office meteorologist Tom Morgan said, "It's going to feel quite different to last week, with temperatures in double figures. Our main concern is heavy and persistent rainfall falling over the Peak District and parts of the Pennines, which could combine with melting snow to cause flooding. That much water flowing into the river system is not good news for populated areas such as Sheffield." Despite the brief thaw, from Wednesday night we expect a return of colder, windy conditions, with snow falling on higher ground in the north of England and overnight frosts further south.